In this video, we're going to be targeting the selectors, so classes and IDs. So CSS can select elements by their type, class, and ID. CSS classes and IDs have different purposes, which can affect which one you use to style the HTML elements. Classes are meant to be reused over many times. By writing CSS classes, you can style elements in a variety of ways by mixing classes. For instance, imagine a page with two headlines. One headline needs to be bold and blue, the other needs to be bold and green. Instead of writing separate CSS rules for each headline that repeat each other's code, you can just simply write a .bold CSS rule and a .green CSS rule and a .blue CSS rule. Then you can give one headline the bold green class and the other the bold blue classes. While classes are meant to be used many times, an ID is meant to style only one element. As you'll learn in the next exercise, IDs override the styles of types and classes. Since IDs override these styles, they should be used sparingly and only on elements that need to always appear the same. So let's go ahead and do some practice with this. So to demonstrate using classes on multiple elements, let's give a few elements the same style. So we'll do, there are 4 H2 elements. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So give each one of them a class of heading background. Alright, so let's see here. I'm going to target each one. Class equals heading background, and I'm going to make this a little smaller. And then we'll go here, go here. Here's the third one. And then here is the 4th one. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah. Class equals, and voila. Now let's give a unique style to a single element using the ID. On line 13 of the index.html, there's an h6 element that displays the name, the time the article on the page was published. Add an ID attribute to the h6 and give it the attribute of publish time. Okay, there you go. And then in the style.css, create a rule set targeting the new heading background. So we'll target the heading background. So we'll do we're targeting the new heading background. So we'll do heading background, and then we have this. So after you run, yeah, okay, perfect. And then finally in the style.css, create another rule set for the publish ID selector. So again, we'll just do the ID selector, which is publish time, and we'll do color gray. Okay, that was wrong. Okay, yeah, so for ID, right, for ID, it's gonna be the hashtag. For classes, it's the dot. Okay, there you go. And we went ahead and made the ID Great. And that's really how you do it. So that's how you differentiate between the classes and the IDs. And again, IDs have precedence over the classes. And that's going to do it right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.